What's going on, everybody? Today we are actually going to be on our way to Economy, Five Islands, Advocate, in Cape Dore. So right now we're just heading out, and we should be in Five Islands in a half an hour, something like that, and we'll check in again. Yeah, it's hard to see from this. It's hard to... Magical. All right, we're getting ready to walk on. It's called the Redhead Trail. It says it's 2.2 kilometers and 3 hours return. So I don't know if we're going to do the whole thing today because we have other things we want to see. But we're going to go to a couple of the look-off places. Even from here, you can see that it's you can tell how it's going to pan out to be a nice view. We're going to set off on the trail now, and we'll stop and show some nice views on the way. So here is where we can choose either go up Economy Mountain. We can choose to either go up Economy Mountain or we can go to the Redhead Trail. We're going to be going on the Redhead Trail. So we're going to be sticking along here, and we'll continue to the right and catch up in a minute. Alright, we've reached the first look-off spot. I don't have the best exposure going on here, but I'll see if I can get this set up so you can see it. Regardless, we'll send the drone up and you'll be able to see everything. Alright, so we're here at the second look-off. This one you can see a little bit more of a couple of the little pieces of land and cliffs sticking out in the water. It's a pretty nice little spot. It's kind of hard to tell from right here, but we'll try to get in for some closer shots. Alright, we're at the fourth look-off spot. This one's probably my favorite so far. You don't even need a drone to be able to see the view here. You can tell by looking behind me that it's quite beautiful. You can see there's a cave down there. I'll try to get a better look at it. You can see the islands behind me, and the ocean goes all the way around this look-off point. I'll try to capture that. All right, we're stopping over here in Parrsboro just to get a look at the scenery here down at the pier. You can see the lighthouse, the cliff overlooking the water. It's a beautiful view. It's a nice little town. and we'll show you some more. Just on our way to Advocate. It's a very twisty and turny ride, as you can see, but the view that you get on the way is even amazing. But this is something you gotta kind of crawl along, constantly braking and turning. It's a nice looking drive, but it's not a fast drive, that's for sure. All right, we made it to Cape Door. We're gonna take a look around and see what all the fuss is all about. We'll send the drone up and see what we see. The footage. So like always, hopefully you can leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time.